Seamless pipes, the foundation of reliable industrial infrastructure, presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello and welcome to another technical and industrial knowledge session from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we will explore one of the most critical components used across industrial, engineering, energy, infrastructure and process industries worldwide, seamless pipes. From oil refineries and power plants to manufacturing facilities and infrastructure projects, seamless pipes play a vital role in ensuring safe, efficient, and reliable operations. In this video, we will discuss what are seamless pipes, how seamless pipes are manufactured, types of seamless pipes, advantages of welded pipes, industrial applications, material selection criteria, quality standards and specifications, procurement considerations, why industries choose URGS International. Let us begin. Understanding seamless pipes. A seamless pipe is a pipe manufactured without any welded joints or seams. Unlike welded pipes, seamless pipes are produced from a solid steel billet that is heated and pierced to create a hollow tube. Because there is no weld seam, seamless pipes offer superior strength, pressure resistance, and reliability. This makes them ideal for critical applications where safety and performance are essential. Why seamless pipes matter? Modern industries operate under demanding conditions. Piping systems often handle high pressures, high temperatures, corrosive fluids, hazardous chemicals, steam, oil and gas products. Under such conditions, piping failures can lead to production losses, equipment damage, environmental incidents, safety risks. Seamless pipes help minimize these risks through superior structural integrity. Manufacturing process of seamless pipes. Let us understand how seamless pipes are manufactured. Step 1. Steel billet production. The process begins with high quality steel billets. The quality of the billet directly influences the final pipe performance. Step 2. Heating. Billets are heated to elevated temperatures inside specialized furnaces. This prepares the material for forming operations. Step 3. Piercing. A piercing mill creates a hollow center within the solid billet. This is one of the most critical stages of seamless pipe production. Step 4. Elongation and rolling. The hollow shell is elongated and rolled into the desired dimensions. Advanced rolling processes ensure uniform wall thickness, excellent dimensional accuracy, consistent mechanical properties. Step 5. Heat treatment. Heat treatment improves strength, toughness, ductility, pressure resistance. Step 6. Inspection and testing. Every quality manufacturer performs extensive inspection including dimensional checks, ultrasonic testing, hydrostatic testing, mechanical testing, chemical analysis. Types of seamless pipes. Different industries require different materials and performance characteristics. Let us examine the major categories. Carbon steel seamless pipes. Carbon steel seamless pipes are among the most widely used industrial piping products. Advantages: high strength, cost effectiveness, easy availability, excellent pressure resistance. Applications: water systems, industrial plants, power generation, general engineering. Stainless steel seamless pipes. Stainless steel pipes provide excellent corrosion resistance. Advantages: corrosion resistance, hygiene, long service life, attractive appearance. Applications: food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemical industries, marine applications. Alloy steel seamless pipes. Alloy steel pipes are designed for demanding operating environments. Advantages: high temperature performance, improved strength, better wear resistance. Applications: refineries, petrochemicals, boilers, power plants. High pressure and boiler tubes. These specialized products are designed to withstand extreme operating conditions. Applications include thermal power plants, steam systems, industrial boilers, energy projects. Safety and reliability are absolutely critical in these applications. Precision seamless tubes. Precision tubes offer tight dimensional tolerances, superior surface finish, consistent quality. Applications include hydraulic systems, automotive components, mechanical engineering, instrumentation. Advantages of seamless pipes. Why do industries prefer seamless pipes? Let us examine the key advantages. Superior strength. Without a welded seam, seamless pipes have uniform strength throughout their structure. This improves performance under pressure. High pressure resistance. Seamless pipe can safely handle demanding pressure conditions. This makes them suitable for critical industrial applications. Excellent corrosion resistance. Depending on material selection, seamless pipes can provide outstanding resistance to corrosion. This extends service life and reduces maintenance costs. Temperature resistance. Many seamless pipe grades perform reliably under high temperatures, thermal cycling, and extreme process conditions. Longer service life. The combination of strength, durability, and corrosion resistance results in extended operational life. This lowers total ownership costs. Reliability in critical applications. Industries choose seamless pipes when failure is not an option. Examples include oil and gas facilities, power plants, petrochemical complexes. Industries using seamless pipes. Seamless pipes are essential across numerous sectors. Oil and gas industry applications include pipelines, process piping, offshore facilities, refinery systems. The industry demands products capable of operating safely under severe conditions. Petrochemical industry. Chemical processing environments often involve corrosive fluids, elevated temperatures, continuous operations. Seamless pipes deliver the reliability required. Power generation. Power plants depend on seamless pipes for steam lines, boiler systems, high temperature applications. Then next is water treatment projects. Water treatment infrastructure utilizes seamless pipes for process systems, distribution networks, specialized treatment equipment. Then manufacturing industry. Manufacturing facilities rely on seamless piping systems for utility services, process operations, hydraulic applications. Infrastructure projects. Large infrastructure projects require dependable piping products that support long-term performance. Material selection considerations. Choosing the right pipe material is crucial. Factors include operating pressure, temperature, fluid characteristics, corrosion environment, regulatory requirements, project budget. A proper technical evaluation helps ensure optimal performance and cost efficiency. Importance of quality standards. Industrial projects demand compliance with recognized standards. Common standards include ASTM, ASME, API, DIN, EN, IS specifications. Compliance ensures product consistency, safety, performance reliability, international acceptance. Common procurement challenges. Many organizations encounter challenges such as supply chain disruptions, long delivery periods, quality concerns, documentation requirements, technical specification matchings. Working with an experienced sourcing partner helps mitigate these risks. Now, why businesses choose URGS International? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports customers through reliable sourcing and procurement solutions. Our strengths include a strong manufacturer network. We maintain relationship with reputed mills and producers. Benefits include competitive pricing, reliable availability, consistent quality. Now, pan-India and global supply capability. We support domestic projects, export orders, EPC contractors, OEM customers. Technical and commercial support. Our team assists customers in selecting appropriate products based on specifications, standards, application requirements, commercial objectives. Supply chain excellence. Efficient logistics coordination helps ensure timely project deliveries. Customized procurement solution. We support bulk requirements, project supplies, OEM sourcing, export shipments, customized specifications. Future of seamless pipe industry. Growing industrialization continues to drive demand for seamless pipes worldwide. Major growth sectors include oil and gas, power generation, renewable energy, infrastructure, water treatment, industrial manufacturing. As industries become more advanced, demand for reliable piping solutions will continue to increase. At last, conclusion. Seamless pipes are a critical component of modern industrial infrastructure. Their strength, reliability, pressure resistance, corrosion resistance, and long service life make them the preferred choice for demanding applications across multiple industries. Whether for power plants, refineries, manufacturing facilities, infrastructure projects, or export markets, seamless pipes continue to play a vital role in industrial growth and development. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited remains committed to delivering reliable sourcing solutions, quality products, technical expertise, and dependable supply support to customers across India and worldwide. For project requirements, procurement support, and long-term supply partnerships, our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Please contact us, and our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more industrial engineering procurement and materials related insights from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. We are metallurgical engineers providing metallurgical consultancy services and procurement of metallurgical products. Thank you.